If your Wi-Fi dies the second you walk upstairs or the moment you step into the backyard, you have to see this. We live in a 2-story house, and every single time I went upstairs, there was no internet. When I stepped out into the backyard, there was no Wi-Fi at all. Video calls would freeze, pages would not load, and it drove me crazy. So I finally decided to upgrade, and this fixed everything. This is the TP-Link Deco Wi-Fi 7 mesh system, and it comes with 3 units. Together, they cover up to 6,600 square feet, and they hold more than 150 devices at once. It works with any internet provider, and it gives you super fast speed, up to 5 gigabits, so streaming, gaming, and video calls all just work. It runs on the newest Wi-Fi 7, so it is built for today and ready for years to come. Even with everyone in the house online at the same time, it does not slow down. And the units are small and clean, so they look nice sitting out in any room. The best part is that all 3 units work together as one. They share the same network name, so you never have to switch. As you move from room to room, it uses smart AI roaming to keep you on the strongest signal. It also has built-in security to keep your whole family safe online. And setup is so easy. You just plug them in, follow the app, and you are done in a few minutes. Now let me show you the back. Every unit has 2 ports in the back. You can plug your source or your modem straight into either one of them. And here is the nice part. It does not matter which port you use. The router automatically detects the source or the computer that it is connected to, so you really cannot get it wrong. I put the main router on the 1st floor in my office. Then I placed the 2nd unit in the kitchen. We always had a dead spot right there because of all the appliances. But now, look at that. Full strong signal right on the counter. And this last one goes upstairs where we have 4 bedrooms. That is where the kids and my husband and I are always on our tablets, our phones, our games, the Apple TVs, and the smart TVs. This used to be the worst dead spot in the whole house. Now every single room is fast and strong, and I even get Wi-Fi out in the backyard. If you are tired of dead spots, do yourself a favor and grab this one. You will not regret it. Honestly, this has been one of the best upgrades we have made for our home. No more buffering, no more dropped calls, and no more fighting over the Wi-Fi. It just works everywhere all the time. And honestly, I could not be happier with this decision. Every single corner of our home now has a strong, steady connection. No more dead spots ever. If you have been putting it off, just go and get it. You will thank yourself later.